How small businesses can choose the right cybersecurity company to keep their data safe. First, identify your security needs. Think about how many employees you have, the devices you use, and the types of data you handle. Do your homework on providers like Sophos, Palo Alto Networks, Barracuda, or Cisco Umbrella. Compare their services, pricing, and what other users are saying in reviews. Evaluate the services they offer. Look for firewalls, antivirus, vulnerability scans, and backups. Don't forget about employee training. It's crucial for keeping your team informed. Set up monitoring and alerts to catch threats early and get regular security reports. Implement clear policies and train your employees on phishing, password safety, and safe internet practices. Make it a habit to review and optimize your security measures regularly. Working with a cybersecurity company means your small business stays safe, compliant, and ready to grow.